Hey everybody, it's Lisa Bug from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga with Straight Talk on knee replacement, and today's topic is constipation. I know nobody wants to talk about this subject, but it is an important one when it comes to recovering from knee surgery. So what happens with constipation? Why can it occur? This is because generally after your knee replacement, your doctor is going to prescribe you some type of narcotic medication, an opioid for a few days or a few weeks after your knee replacement. This type of medication can slow down gastric emptying. It slows down peristalsis, that rate that your food moves through your digestive system. When that slows down, what happens is all of the moisture that's in that stool gets sucked out into your body, and then the stool becomes really hard, making it difficult to pass. So right away, you want to make sure that this is not going to happen to you. I know of people that it has happened to. Fortunately, it didn't happen to me because I jumped on it right away. So some important things you want to do is, since the moisture is pulled out of the stool, you want to be sure that you're taking in a lot of water and a lot of foods that have water in them, soups and things like that, vegetables and fruits that are high in water content. So get a lot of water into... Ooh. There was a firework right there. It's a Happy New Year, actually. It's the 1st of January, so Happy New Year, everybody. So you want to get a lot of water and foods that contain water. You also want to get a lot of fiber in your diet, because when you have fiber that's moving through your system, that's going to hold on to that water a little bit better. Also, your doctor is probably going to recommend that you take a senna type product or senna plus. And a senna is very natural laxative that you can take. Senna plus also has a stool softener in it. So I'm not a doctor. I'm a certified exercise specialist. I have a master's degree in exercise science, and I am a patient of knee replacement. So I'm just giving you this information as to what worked best for me. I want you to check with your doctor, though, before you do anything. I'm not prescribing medications to you, but this is really good for you to take and right off the bat. Also, it's a good idea to keep some vitamin C in your diet. That can tend to help with this, as well as maybe take a psyllium seed husk type of product such as Metamucil. But get on it right away so you keep things moving the way they should after knee replacement. All right, that's it for now. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you next time. Stay strong, knee warriors. I'll talk to you soon.